Alright, here's our Starburst infused recipe. While I was getting, this is a 60 Starburst batch, so while I was getting all 60 of these peeled, I put the coconut oil in the water to start liquefying, and then with the coconut spray, just real quick on the pan that we'll be forming in, and the same thing before I started putting the Starburst in. So I want to light rolling boil, put these on. We'll start letting them heat up. This is a time, it takes a little bit of time for all this to allow this to heat up, get it the right consistency. And then when we're ready, we're gonna put 2 teaspoons of liquid lecithin and then 7 tablespoons. Usually it'd be 6, but I like to put 7 in there. It takes a little bit longer for it to all kind of mold together, but a little bit stronger in the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and push pause until this gets close to where we want it. But every so often I'll start moving it around just so they don't burn. I know we're even close yet. So still letting it heat up. Still not quite ready yet. But every once in a while we'll flip it over. Eventually we're going to want to get it so melty that you can actually fold it over pretty easy before you add the ingredients. So I'll let you know when that time comes. Usually you'll be able to push down pretty smooth and spread it all out, but there's still some chunks in here right now. It's not quite foldable yet. Keep spreading it out, get the most surface area to keep heating it up, and wait till it's ready. Right, so now we're getting pretty close. You can see it's a lot more foldable, moldable. Flip the bottom part over that was real hot, spread it all out. Get it nice and flat, kind of like a little bowl in here. Kind of something like that. Put in the ingredients. Let's see here. 2 tablespoons of lecithin. 2 teaspoons of lecithin. Not heaping, just right.
Okay. I'm not the imposter.
So then I actually spread it around, kind of get even distribution across the top.
Hi, baby.
So I got my soft bowl, good simmer down here. The coconut oil. 7 tablespoons.
It's red. It's red. Red killed brown.
You can see it's pretty liquidy. It's gonna take some time. All I do is just keep rolling and folding. Eventually you can kind of smash it in on each fold. But if you look, very liquidy. Just fold it in. Doing this, it's gonna take like 10 minutes probably to get it close. But don't give up, just like a good roux gravy. It takes a little bit of time, but it'll come out good. So I'll record back whenever it gets close. But I'm gonna constantly do this so nothing burns. Make sure nothing gets heated up too much, like the coconut oil. Alright, we're getting close now. It's been about 5 minutes since I pushed pause a while ago. You want to go to where you don't have that oily, wet stuff on top. Getting pretty close. But just to where you don't see any more coconut oil, you'll have a little glossy sheen, but as long as you don't see the wet liquid. It'll also thicken up a little bit once it's all done. It was kind of runny a while ago where I could actually stir it a little bit. See, now it's folding real nice. Not liquidy anymore. And I'm almost happy with it. Closer look. No liquid. Looks like it's all bonded together good. Just had lightly oiled this earlier. Oh, comes out real nice. Do the 60 batch just because this forms it all real nice and gets it pretty much the size of a Starburst when you cut it all down. Spread it out even. Some people say put it in the fridge for an hour, some say 30 minutes. The longer I keep it in the fridge, the harder the consistency of the Starburst. So I'm learning about 15 to 20 minutes to where it's still just a little bit warm when you pull it out so that it's not super hard and tear your teeth up. That's it.